You might think that our mood and mental health are solely controlled by our brain, but there is one factor that plays a very important role in how we feel: our gut, or our digestive system. The gut-brain connection is a powerful link that influences our emotions, our cognition, and our overall well-being. The good news is that you have the power to improve your gut health, improve this connection, and boost your mood. Hi, I'm Valerie, a lifestyle nurse. I believe that no matter your age or current health status, you have the power to take charge of your well-being and live a longer, healthier life. My goal is to share with you the knowledge and tools that will empower you to make that happen. In this video, I am going to be talking about the gut-brain connection, what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can improve it to feel better both physically and mentally. The gut-brain axis is a two-way communication system between your digestive system and your brain. This connection is so powerful that scientists often call the gut our second brain. The gut does more than just digest food. It is filled with millions of nerve cells that send signals to the brain, and the brain, in turn, sends signals back to the gut. This constant conversation impacts how we feel physically and emotionally. For example, when your gut is healthy, it sends positive signals to your brain, supporting a stable mood, better focus, and less stress. On the other hand, when your gut is inflamed or unbalanced, it can send distress signals that affect how you think and feel, potentially leading to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. The vagus nerve plays a central role, acting as a direct communication highway between the gut and the brain. This nerve transmits sensory information from the gut, influencing how the brain perceives and responds to stress and emotions. One of the most fascinating and most recently discovered parts of the gut-brain connection is the role of the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is the collection of the trillions of microorganisms that live in your digestive tract. These microbes do much more than just help digest food. They influence mood, cognition, and mental health by producing neurotransmitters, including about 95% of your body's serotonin, which is often called the happiness hormone. When your gut microbiome is balanced, it supports mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall well-being. But when the microbiome is out of balance, a state called dysbiosis, it can lead to brain fog, mood swings, and an increased risk of conditions like anxiety and depression. The gut-brain axis also involves the immune system, which plays a big role in managing inflammation. When the gut is out of balance, inflammation levels rise, and these inflammatory signals can travel to the brain, impacting your mental health over time. The connection between gut health and mental health is undeniable. Research has shown that people with poor gut health are more likely to experience conditions like anxiety and depression. For example, chronic inflammation in the gut can send stress signals to the brain, contributing to feelings of worry or sadness. Emerging studies even suggest a link between gut health and neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. While more research is needed, it is clear that taking care of your gut may play a role in protecting your brain as you get older. Improving the health of your gut and its connection to your brain doesn't require drastic changes. Small, consistent shifts in your lifestyle can make a big difference. One of the most impactful ways to support your gut-brain connection is through your diet. Incorporating more probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir introduces beneficial bacteria to your gut. Prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, bananas, oats, and asparagus help feed the healthy bacteria already there and promote a healthy gut environment. Increasing your fiber intake through whole grains, vegetables, and legumes also supports both digestion and the microbiome. At the same time, reducing inflammatory foods and those foods that can damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of the microbiome can give your gut the environment that it needs to thrive. Ultra-processed foods are at the top of the list to limit. These include carbonated drinks, both sweet and savory packaged snacks, processed meats, candies, and greasy fast food. Next, keep an eye out for foods high in added sugar, salt, and saturated fat, as they can all disrupt the delicate balance of your gut bacteria. Also, foods that contain artificial additives like emulsifiers, artificial sweeteners, artificial colors, and preservatives can alter the composition of your gut microbiota. Alcohol can also harm your microbiome, so it's best to limit your intake. Red meat, while not necessarily off limits, should be consumed in moderation, as excessive amounts can negatively impact your gut health. Stress is another major factor that impacts your gut. Chronic stress doesn't just affect your mental state, it disrupts the gut-brain connection, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. Managing stress through mindfulness practices, meditation, deep breathing, or even gentle movement like yoga can help calm your body and reduce the strain on your gut. Finding time for activities that bring you joy or simply taking moments to pause during the day can go a long way in supporting the gut-brain connection. Sleep is just as important. When you don't get enough quality sleep, it throws off your gut health, increasing inflammation and dysbiosis. Prioritizing a consistent bedtime, creating a calming evening routine, and keeping your bedroom dark and cool can help your body repair itself overnight. These small changes can have a big impact on how your gut and brain work together. Finally, for some people, probiotic supplements may also help restore balance in the gut, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplementation. And probiotics should be seen as the last step. Balance needs to be restored so that the probiotic is being introduced to a healthy gut environment in order for them to do any good. The gut-brain connection is one of the most powerful relationships in the body, influencing everything from your digestion to your mental health. By understanding how the gut and brain communicate and taking simple steps to support gut health can improve your mood, boost mental clarity, and protect your brain as you age. It's never too late to start. Small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements in how you feel, both physically and mentally. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on improving your health and longevity. And as always, please take good care of yourself.